Now I'm going to teach you how to problem solve using this tactic I like to call anchor points. And the first thing is anchoring onto one part of the coding and figuring out what's wrong with that, if anything. So I check projectile movement first, and the gravity should be set to 0, which it is. And then next is checking the collisions as the next anchor point. And I set the static mesh to no collision because there's a sphere collision that's going to be the one giving the damage. And now when we go to test it, it's still coming out weird. So it has to be something with the socket or the projectile angle or the socket rotation. So I'm checking the coding part, and it is wrong right here. I made it backwards, a little dyslexic there. It should be right arrow socket. And now it's coming out, but it's targeting something else that I don't want it to target. And it won't target the actual static mesh that I want to target. So it has to be something with the variable. And I have it set to the right element just pawn right now. But the problem is the wall actor I'm trying to target, that statue, is actually not a pawn. What I'm looking for is it to hit the component of the pawn. And so I need to make it a world dynamic